equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. These tools will help you safely open your Surface Pro 5 without causing any damage. Start by powering off your device completely. Once it's off, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen, just above the home button. Gently pull the suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the body of the device. Next, take your plastic spudger and carefully insert it into the gap. Slide it around the edges to release the clips holding the screen in place. Be patient during this step, as rushing can lead to cracks in the screen. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screen is detached, you'll see the internal components of your Surface Pro 5. Locate the battery, which is typically secured with several screws. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, remove these screws carefully and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious of any adhesive that may still be holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, use the spudger to gently pry it loose. It's important to handle the battery with care, as puncturing it can be dangerous. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the device. Before securing it, ensure that the connectors are properly aligned. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once the new battery is in place, replace the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the device. Next, it's time to reattach the screen. Carefully align it with the body of the Surface Pro 5 and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. This step is crucial, as a poorly attached screen can lead to further issues down the line. Finally, power on your device to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Surface Pro 5. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you every step of the way, ensuring your device is back to optimal performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.